Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bella Visutara, NPM 2441214 from accounting class. In this video, I will explain a topic titled The Power of Supply and Demand. This video is meant to fulfill the assignment for the Introduction to Microeconomic course taught by Ms. Dwi Tirta Kencana SEMSAK AKT. So, enjoy watching. What will we discuss in this video? First, we'll learn about demand and supply, the factor that influence demand, the demand and supply curve graph, the point listed above. Without further ado, let's jump right into the explanation of this point. Supply and demand are two fundamental concepts in economics that influence the price and quantity of goods available in the market. Understanding this concept is important to know how prices are formed and how goods are traded in the market. The meaning of demand and supply itself. What is it? What demand? Demand refers to the quantity of goods or service that consumers are willing to purchase at various price level during a certain period. Generally, the higher the price, the less the quantity demand, and vice versa. Factor that influence demand. 1. Consumer income. When a person's income increases, they tend to buy more goods. 2. Price of other goods. Demand can be influenced by the price of other goods, whether they are substitutes like coffee and tea, or complementary goods like cars and gasoline. 3. Consumer preference. The taste and preference of consumer also affect demand. And 4. Expect future price. If consumer believe that the price of a good will rise, they may buy more now. Demand curve. The demand curve shows a negative relationship between price and quantity demand. That is, when the price decreases, the quantity demand tends to increase, and vice versa. As example, if the price of an item decreases from Rp 100 to Rp 80, consumers are likely to buy more of that item. Okay, is next slide supply. So what is supply and where are the factors? Supply is the quantity of goods or service that producers are willing and able to offer at various price levels during a certain period. Typically, the higher the price, the more goods producers are willing to produce and sell. Factor that influence supply. Production cost, production technology, number of producers, government policy. Production cost. If production costs increase, producers may reduce the quantity of goods they offer. Production technology. Technological advances can make production more efficiency, leading to an increase in the quantity of goods supply. Number of products. The more products there are, the greater the supply of goods in the market. Government policy. Taxes, subsidies, or regulation can also affect the supply of. The supply curve shows a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. The higher the price, the more producers are willing to sell of goods. Example, if the price of a good increases from Rp 100 to Rp 120, producers are likely to offer more goods in the market. The equilibrium point is the price at which the quantity demanded by consumer is equal to the quantity supplied by producer. At this point, the market is stable with no shortages or surpluses of goods. Equilibrium price, the price at which the quantity demand and the quantity supply are equal. Equilibrium quantity, the quantity of goods traded at the equilibrium price. Change in demand. If demand increases, for example, due to a rise in income, but the price and the quantity of goods sold will increase. If demand decreases, but the price and the quantity of goods sold will decrease. Change in supply. If supply increases, for example, due to a decrease in production costs, the price will fall and the quantity of goods trade will increase. If supply decreases, the price will rise and the quantity of goods sold will decrease. Yes, example of change in demand increases. During the pandemic, demand for masks and hand sanitizer increased significantly even though prices remain high or increase. Demand decreases. If the price of smartphone is very high and there are no significant innovation, many consumers may delay their purchase or choose other product. Example of change in supply. Supply increases if new technology is discovered that makes car production easier. More cars can be produced at a lower cost. Supply decreases if a natural disaster demands factories or raw material. The supply of goods may decrease, causing price to rise. All of which cause market imbalance effect. On the excess demand, shortage side occurs when prices are too low, causing more goods to be demanded than are available. This often leads to price rising. While excess supply surplus occurs when prices are too high, causing more goods to be offered than are demand. Producer may have to lower price in order to sell the goods. So, the material that we can conclude between supply and demand. Supply and demand are interconnected and together they determine the price and quantity of goods traded in the market. The equilibrium point in reach when the quantity demand equal the quantity supply, balancing both forces. However, change in the factor and that affect supply and demand can lead to shift in this equilibrium, resulting in change to both the price and the quantity of goods available in the market. Okay, that's all the material that I convey. If there are words that are not clear or mispronounced, I apologize. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.